Welcome to my YouTube channel, Nigeria Politics. We focus on political matters happening in and around our great country, Nigeria. For first-time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking the red button below. Also, hit on the bell button so you will always get notifications when a new story drops. Here's today's headline: Oshomole's end is imminent and it is coming soon. Here's the full story. The national chairman of the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC), Adams Oshomole, is currently swimming in troubled waters if recent happenings in the party is anything to go by. As the day goes by, it continues to look like things are not tilting in the favor of the Edo-born politician, with a strong possibility that he may eventually end up being sent packing from his current position as national chairman of the ruling party. This is as calls have come from the national deputy chairman of the APC, Lawal Shaibu, and the immediate past national chairman of the party, John Udije Oyegun, to step aside from his position as national chairman of the APC. The situation is an ironic one, as the former Edo State governor used to have the support of influential party members who all played a role in his emergence as the national chairman of the APC. As a matter of fact, he still enjoyed the support of the national leader of the APC, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and even President Muhammadu Buhari himself. So why does he seem a man who is currently losing so much sleep due to impending doom? Before we delve into this proper, let us first consider the ascension of Adams Oshomole from the status of former governor of Edo State to the national chairman of the All Progressive Congress (APC), and the resulting intrigues that have occurred since then. Signs that former national chairman of the APC, John Udije Oyegun, would be ousted from his position began to show in the last quarter of 2017. This was as reports began to emanate that there were plans to replace him with Adams Oshomole at the expiration of his tenure in 2019. Oyegun, however, discarded these reports at the time, saying that such a conclusion would run contrary to the ideas of the party. However, as the time for the selection of a new party chairman drew closer in 2018, some powerful forces within the party began to align with the former Edo State governor. Foremost was the then governor of Imo State, Rochas Okorocha. The founding member of the APC has stated that he had confidence in Oshomole to pilot the affairs of the party as opposed to Oyegun. The duo would later be involved in a bitter spat over Imo State politics. The national leader of the APC, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, was also another stalwart of the party who had given his full support to Oshomole. He is still working with Oshomole. President Buhari as well was said to have given his support to Oshomole, which was seen as the final straw that broke Oyegun's back, leading him to drop his ambition of serving as APC chairman for another tenure. Thus, this stage was set for Oshomole, who was confirmed as national chairman of the APC through a voice affirmation in June 2018. The story unfolds from here. As the primaries came, there was chaos in certain APC states, where there was confusion between different camps in the party, which later led to the primaries being cancelled in some states, with the electoral body in the country, INEC, refusing to recognize the candidates that were fielded by the party in these states. As a result of the fallout from the primaries, Oshomole was accused of corruption and was detained by the DSS for some hours in a grueling interrogative exercise. Rivers and Zamfara states were disqualified, although APC was later cleared to participate in the Zamfara election. A ruling by the Supreme Court nullified the primaries held in the state, thereby ceding Zamfara to the PDP. Also, National chairman of the party was involved in a bitter squabbling with both Rochas Okorocha, Ibikole Amosun, and then the governors Imo and Ogun States, respectively, over the choice of the party for the gubernatorial elections in both states. At the end of the day, APC lost out Imo State to the PDP, while they carried the day in Ogun State. In total, the party lost 7 states, which is controlled in 2015 to the opposition PDP at the conclusion of the 2019 election. In a letter which was dated May 27, 2019, addressed to Oshomole, the deputy national chairman of the APC, Senator Lawan Shaibu, had made a call telling him to step down from his position as party chairman over his inability to improve the conditions of the party since he assumed the position, alleging that things seemed to be getting worse instead. In like manner, the immediate past national chairman of the APC, John Odige Oyegun, attacked Oshomole, claiming that his mannerism was detrimental to the party and that he should resign. These calls from weighty members of the APC have increased the pressure on the party chairman. It is even tougher as the APC national chairman has stepped on many toes, including that of governors and other high-ranking members of the party who have played a role in his emergence as national chairman of the party. This time, top powers in the party might not save him, as there are way too many party members whom his actions have left in sore straits. For Oshomole, his continued defiance seems to mark the actions of a man who is bent on digging his own political grave. Let us know your thoughts on this assertion in the comment section below. Thank you.